In this video, I'm going to show you 3 easy ways to thread a needle. I'm Sarah, and this is The Notorious Needle, bringing you geeky, cheeky, and 3D cross-stitch. By the end of this video, you'll know 3 easy ways to thread a needle. I've been cross-stitching for 30 years, and I've used all 3 of these methods, including my favorite, and I'll let you know which one that is. For this demonstration, I'll be using DMC floss number 552. I've already pre-cut it here. A size 26 tapestry needle, put it on my little needle minder so I don't lose it, and a needle threader. It has a very fine filament to fit through the eye of the needle. The first method I'm going to show you is using the needle threader. Holding the needle in one hand, the needle threader goes through the eye of the needle. Then the thread goes through the needle threader, and then you pull it back through the eye. Your needle is threaded. Another method my mom taught me is lick it. That's right, lick the end of the thread. What I do instead is I wet my fingers, pinch the tip of the thread so that any frayed edges are smoothed out, and then put the thread through the needle. As you can see, this is not so terribly easy. But after a couple of tries, the needle is threaded. My favorite way that my mom also taught me and handed down from my grandma is the fold over method. You take the thread, you fold it over the needle, you pull it tight, pinching it between your 2 fingers, and then you pull the needle out. You can see the thread is there. The advantage of this is that there are no frayed edges to put the thread through the eye, so it won't get separated. You place the eye of the needle over the folded thread between your fingers, and you work it until the thread comes through. And the needle is threaded. So those are the 3 easy ways of threading your needle. I definitely prefer the fold over method. It takes a little getting used to, but you don't have to deal with the end of the thread that tends to fray, and you don't have to lick it, which is a little bit silly, but you know, that's my mom. So how do you prefer to thread your needle? Leave a comment and let me know. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, go ahead and hit subscribe and the notification bell. Remember, you don't have to be perfect at it, you just have to love it. Stitch on.